can see, my hair, but thought we were done with this workout. Scared. Yeah. Tired. What's good, y'all? It's your girl, the original Angel. We are back here with another video, with another day. I know it's been a minute since last clip or whatever, but new day, new time, new scene, new everything. But we are currently gonna get on the road, catch some money or whatever, and just try to make it back home before it gets crazier. Yeah, I do want to finish up soon. I want to finish up before 7, but I don't think I'm gonna finish before 7. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But we just made our second stop. Y'all didn't see the first one, but we just made our second stop at Ulta, so we can go to Home Depot, pick up that other shit, then deliver it to them, then we're done. Okay, quick buck or whatever, but I'm just checking in. If I don't make it back in to check, then just know, bye. Till next. Frozen. The remote? Ooh, that felt like rockets to the rockets. Okay, y'all, we are on another adventure. Ah, shit.
You almost fell?
Yes, hold my camera. I'm scared for you to even hold my camera because I don't want you to follow my shit. Okay, we are here today. As y'all can see, it is sunny, but it's still icy and snowy. However, that's not gonna stop us from going on a little adventure. Y'all may be wondering where we're going. We're going to Kroger. Y'all. Let me get some water real quick, hold up. Cause you know a bitch thirsty. Okay. Y'all, today, I really felt like not doing nothing, but we gotta, and regardless, I have to do something. Like, get up and go get a new battery for my car, which I'm gonna do today. So it's pretty much that. Okay, so like I told y'all, or in case y'all didn't know, my car did not start or won't start throughout and after this whole winter storm. So we got, sparking cables. We finna spark this shit. We'll see if it comes and turns on first. is up running again. I'm gonna let her, you know, run some more, warm up. Ooh, ooh. Thanks to Mama Dukes. I know, cause I'm like, I don't want her thinking that my shit's stuck. But she's fine. I'm happy. And yeah, let's get this shit going. Today we are officially getting Rolla a new battery because earlier it wouldn't even start. Like, I was headed to go hang out with my friend and I had to call her and let her know, like, I can't come get you because the battery up. So y'all, being an adult is just like not for the weak. Not for the weak. Nah, it's all good though, you know, it's okay. We gotta do these things because at the end of the day, this is how I'm gonna get to my bread, this is how I'm gonna get to my money, this is how I'm gonna pay my bills, and this is how I'm gonna make ends meet. So if it takes whatever, it's whatever gotta be done. So yes, over here. See, I can officially say, like, I'm annoyed. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. I think I'm actually gonna just end this